Today I'm going to show you how to remove the ugly 400Z box and replace it with these little delete kits combined with our bracket to get that nice clean look. What's the problem? You've got number plates, way too small, looks ugly, so we're going to remove this and replace it with these. I'll show you how these work. Okay, this is how you take this part off. Take it 2 screws, reach under here, go up, pull the tabs down, and the whole thing will come off. Like that. Okay, now that you've got the cover off, you can install your spacers using the same screw that you took out and put it in the same hole that you took it out of. These actually slide, so if you slide it in, the bracket comes out, and if you slide it this way, the bracket goes in more. Now you match up the correct bracket with your correct plate. Install separately, so if I get both, you can bounce in any of these 3 holes, any of these 3 slots. What's left is to put your plate on using supplied hardware. There you have it, nice and clean. You've gone from this to this.